Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com or you can find the link to the website in the description below. There are a lot of reasons for investors to be bullish on dry bulk shipping company like United Maritime Corp. They're traded on NASDAQ under symbol USEA. The global shipping industry has performed well in 2024, fueled by tension in the Red Sea and Suez Canal. In the dry bulk shipping industry, larger sized vessels have performed better than smaller ones, with demand for Capesize market almost double what it did in the first half of the year. The outlook for dry bulk shipping companies in general remains robust, with commodity volumes typically picking up in the third and fourth quarter of the year, driven by iron ore, coal, and grains. And experts see no reason for this momentum to change. Longer term, the outlook for dry bulk shipping remains solid. The dry bulk shipping market was valued at 162.6 billion in 2023 and is projected to hit 239.5 billion in 2030, expanding at a compounded annual growth rate of 4%. John?
Thanks, Mo. United Maritime Corp is a diversified international shipping company with a fleet of 8 vessels. This includes 3 Panamax dry bulk vessels with an aggregate cargo carrying capacity of 922,072 deadweight tonnage. That's the actual total amount a ship can carry, and includes cargo, crew, provisions, fuel, and water. The company's goal, it says, is to grow its fleet to meet industry demand. To that end, in July 2022, they acquired 4 tankers before the market run and sold 4 tankers for a combined profit of approximately $40 million. And in early 2023, it acquired 2 Kamsarmax vessels and 1 Panamax vessel. It also sold one of its long-range 2 vessels, so its fleet is always like a bit of a state of evolution or flux or whatever. The company is also diversifying its investment strategy through its foray into the offshore sector through a minority stake in a new building energy construction vessel. Now, the project, in partnership with experienced Norwegian counterparts, is expected to complete it in 2027. Now, the vessel will serve both the oil and gas and renewable sectors, addressing the shortage of such vessels amidst pretty strong growing demand.
And it swung to second quarter profitability on the strong dry bulk market.
Yeah, it's been a good year for United Maritime. For the second quarter ended June 30th, 2024, net revenue actually jumped 24% year over year to $12.4 million, with year-to-date revenue jumping 80% to $23 million. The company reported second quarter net income of $700,000 or 8 cents per share. That's up significantly from a second quarter 2023 net loss of $3 million or a loss of 37 cents per share. Year-to-date, United reported net loss of $700,000 or a loss of 8 cents per share. That's a marked improvement over the net loss of $7.9 million or a loss of 9 cents per share in the first half of 2023. Now, the all-important time charter equivalent rates, or TCE, for the second quarter was $17,143 per day. The TCE rate for the first 6 months of 2024 was $16,187 per day. Now, looking ahead, management said it had fixed approximately 75% of its third quarter days at an average rate of $17,737.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, now on the income front, United declared its 7th consecutive quarterly dividend of 7.5 cents per share.
Yeah, now keep in mind, United only went public in 2022, but over that short period of time, it has shown its commitment to returning value to shareholders through its dividend and share buyback policies. Since its inception, it has returned total cash dividends of $12 million, and that works out to more than $1.52 per share, representing approximately 63% of the company's current total market capitalization. Now, since July 2022, the company has also repurchased $6.7 million in share buybacks with authorization to repurchase up to an additional $2.3 million. Now, taken together, and share buybacks have totaled $18.7 million. Now, as for its actual dividend, In the second quarter of 2024, the company declared its seventh consecutive quarterly cash dividend of 7.5 cents per share, or 30 cents per share on an annual basis, for a pretty frothy forward annualized yield of 12.40%.
And now the big question is whether the company will raise that payout.
Management said that it remains optimistic that the positive market conditions will allow it to consistently reward its shareholders in the next quarters. Will it be able to raise those payouts? Well, time charter equivalent rates are up, which should help juice profitability. Moreover, after reporting 2023 earnings of 2 cents per share, analysts expect earnings to jump 238% in 2024 to 5 cents per share, and climb an additional 220% in 2025 to 16 cents per share. Moreover, its payout ratio is a pretty smaller, paltry 32.26%. So an increased dividend payout in 2025 or 2026 is certainly not out of the question.
And I was reading that USEA shares have triple-digit upside potential.
USD shares have traded in a relatively tight range since the start of 2023, but are still trading up 8.5% year to date and more than 17% the last 12 months. Decent gains, but Wall Street thinks USD shares have a lot more room to run, currently trading hands at $2.44 per share. Analysts have provided a 12-month average share price target for USEA stock of $6 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. United Maritime Corporation is a dry bulk shipping company with a fleet of 8 vessels. It reported strong second quarter revenue and TCE growth and swung to second quarter profitability. It also has fixed roughly 75% of its third quarter days with a TCE rate well above the second quarter. Consistent with its practice of returning capital to shareholders, the company declared its 7th consecutive quarterly dividend of 7.5 cents per share. The outlook for United Maritime remains solid based on limited new deliveries of vessels and continued strong dry bulk commodity demand, with mixed fleet of vessels well positioned to take advantage of these developments. And these trends bode well for United Maritime, its dividend and share price. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.